Hi, bird. Hey, bird. Let's be friends. Is it okay if I want to be friends? He's trying to bite me. I just put my finger under his belly and that's it. Just force it in there. Alright. Oh, I knocked him off. I'm a bad person. Come here, bird. That's not good. He doesn't like me. Even more than he doesn't like you. Come here. Now I'm just torturing him at this point. There we go. Oh, that was awesome. Look at that. That was so awesome. Okay, you can relax now. I won't try to be your friend anymore. I know that stresses you out. I have that effect on people. Sure look delicious though. Just kidding. You don't look delicious. Okay. Bye, bird. Say hi to mommy and daddy. Say, I hope you're having fun in Costa Rica. Okay. There it is. Yeah. He's doing like a head. He's doing like a macho head bob thing. Showing me who's boss.